Hi friends, it's Bree here and welcome back to This is the video tutorial for the Josie pattern, which is a super cute, cheeky short fit bikini bottom and triangle top. This two-piece bikini set is super quick to make and beginner friendly. So let's get started. Quick disclaimer, besties. Everywhere you're sewing for this pattern, except the bottom of the bikini top, is where you'll also want to add bathing suit elastic as well if you choose. Bathing suit elastic is typically added to strengthen the structure of the bikini, but for this bikini, I'm not using elastic. To make this bikini, you'll need the Josie sewing pattern, which is available on my Etsy storefront or website, and the links are listed below in the description. You'll need scissors, which I have both my fabric scissors and cutting scissors. Fabric, I'm using 4-way stretch polyester fabric for both the lining and main fabric, safety pins, sewing needles, fabric weights, and a seam ripper. Starting off with the sewing pattern, you're going to line up each piece. You'll see here I'm starting with page 1, matching up with page 2, making sure each of the symbols match up. Soon you'll start to see the sewing pattern form together. Next, you're going to begin cutting out your pattern piece, cutting out on the solid black line, as well as cutting out any excess space at the edge of the paper. Once your pattern piece is all cut out, you're going to tape the pieces together. And now it's time to cut the fabric. First, I'm going to show you how to make the bottoms with seams. When sewing the Josie bottom pattern with seams, starting with the main fabric, you're going to cut 2 pieces of pattern label A, the front of the shorts, and then 2 pieces of pattern label B, the back of the shorts. This will leave you with a total of 4 pieces cut out from the main fabric. And then you'll want to repeat the same on the lining pieces. Cut 2 pieces of pattern label A and 2 pieces of pattern label B. Next, we're going to cut out the fabric for the triangle top. We're going to cut out 4 pieces total for each side, so 2 on the main fabric and then 2 on the lining fabric. Now we're ready to begin forming the bikini. Focusing on the front side first, you're going to take both of your lining pieces and place them right side together with the main fabric. So you see me placing down the main fabric right side together on top of the lining fabric. I'm pinning along the areas where I'll actually be sewing, so you're going to sew the top and bottom seams, leaving the 2 side seams open, untouched. Using a fabric-friendly, washable sewing pencil, I'm marking on the lining's fabric F for front. When we sew the front and back pieces together, this will help me know which side is the front. My Amazon storefront is listed below, where you'll be able to purchase these pencils. Doing the same on the back pieces, I'm laying the 2 pieces right sides together. Then begin pinning among the edges along the top and bottom seams, leaving the side seams open. Moving on to the top, lay right sides together and pin. Once pinned, I'm marking a 1/4 inch along the side of the bottom. This is where we're not going to sew. We're going to leave this gap open. Then you're going to sew along the sides and the bottom, leaving the top and 1/4 inch open. Starting with the bottoms first, you'll see I'm sewing along the pinned sides, leaving the sides and bottom gusset untouched for both the front and back piece. Then to begin sewing the top, you'll need the pieces for the straps first. I cut out 2 strap pieces, and this is what we'll insert into the top part of the bikini. The length is indicated in the sewing pattern instructions for how long you'll need it to be. To begin, I'm folding the pieces to be right sides together, matching up the edges, and then I'm going to sew along the side. If you don't have a loop tuner, you can take a safety pin and insert it along the top edge. So you're going to flip the safety pin so that the head of the safety pin enters a tunnel, taking the fabric inside with it. You'll keep tugging and pulling the safety pin inside until you get to the end, and you'll just pull the strap right side out. Now taking the top pieces, we're going to sew along the edges and bottom of it, remembering to leave the 1/4 inch gap on each side of the near bottom open. Here you'll see how the top should look once sewn. Taking one of the strap pieces we already sewn and turn right sides out, with a safety pin attached to the strap, you're going to feed it through one of the 1/4 inch gaps to the top of the bikini gap. With about 1 inch of the strap sticking out, serge along the top gap, sealing the strap to the top. With your strap sticking out at the bottom, pull your bikini right side forward, and voila, your bikini top is 75% complete. Repeat and do the same to the second bikini top. With your top sewn together, it'll look like this. Next, we're going to sew a line about 1 inch from the bottom, ensuring to keep the 1/4 inch gap open. This will create the tunnel for your third bikini strap. With my stitch length on 3 and my tension high enough to sew through the layers, I'm sewing 1 inch above the bottom, and repeat on the second bikini top. Once complete, you'll have a tunnel at the bottom of your bikini that you'll funnel your strap through using a safety pin. Once your strap's inside the tops, we're going to finally sew shut our 1/4 inch gap. You'll see I'm tucking the fabric inside and then sewing a small straight stitch across the top of it, ensuring not to sew across the strap. And this is what your final small stitch will look like, completing your top. Moving on to the bottoms, focusing on the front piece first, you'll take the 2 front pieces and turn one right side forward. With that piece, you'll use a safety pin to feed it inside the one facing wrong side out. Making sure you're matching right sides to right side, pull the bikini through, lining up each side and making sure corners are flat and even. Making sure all 4 pieces of fabric are lined up, pin down what will be the middle seam, and this is where we're going to serge or sew. Repeat the same steps for the back piece. Once finished, you'll have both the front and back piece like so, and pull the 2 pieces right side out. Lay the front piece and back piece right sides together and pin down the sides. This is how we're going to connect the front and back piece. Once the sides are pinned down, also pin down the gusset. Once all sides and gussets are sewn together, you'll have your bottom piece and you'll just flip it right side forward and you're finished. Now I'm going to show you how to make the bottoms seamless. When you use this method, your bottoms will be reversible. So first, you're going to start out with cutting out your fabric. I'm starting with pattern B, placing the pattern face down along the fold of the fabric. Making sure your pattern is on the fold of fabric, you'll cut out one piece. Do the same for the front piece, pattern A. For both the front and back pieces, unfold your cutout fabric piece and place the fabric right side down on top of your lining fabric. Then cut out one of each on the lining fabric. This will leave you with a total of 4 pieces cut out, 2 on the main fabric, 1 being the front piece and 1 being the back, and then 2 with the lining fabric, 1 front, 1 back piece. Once cut, pin your 2 pieces of fabric together, ensuring it's right sides touching. We're going to pin along the top and leg seams. This is where we're going to sew, leaving the side seam and the bottom of the gusset untouched. Once you sew or serge the edges together, your 2 pieces will look like this. You're now going to grab one of the pieces and bring it right side forward. With that piece, grab a safety pin and feed that piece that you just turned right side forward into the piece that is still wrong side out, ensuring you're matching up side seams to side seam and gusset to gusset. You're going to pin all the fabric together and sew along the edges and at the bottom of the gusset. Once sewn, your piece will look like so. To bring the bikini right side forward, we're going to use a seam ripper. You'll want to seam rip a 1/2 inch to inch small hole along the gusset. Once you have a big enough gap, you're going to bring your bikini right side forward. Next, all we have to do is close the small gap. Tucking in the sides, you're going to sew a small stitch to close this gap. Once complete, your reversible bottoms are done. How cute are they? Thanks for watching.